we have a Craftsman 4200 watt generator. It's powered by a 7.8 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. This is a Generac alternator. That is the power source that makes electricity on these. This one is bad. We only got 5.8 at its maximum peak. I should be getting at least 126-ish per outlet. I'm just getting 5.8 at the max. So what that tells me is I'm getting some power. So when that happens, 9 times out of 10, I've done this enough that it's just going to be my little AVR unit that's in here, the voltage regulator. So why don't we take this apart and show you that you can fix it too. And you can watch this video and fix your own AVR on your Craftsman or Generac generator. You'll know that, find out that most generators are Generac. Yep, they have contracts with everybody. They make a good unit. On the Craftsman unit, I have a pet peeve. I'm going to discuss that in a little bit. Generac, pay attention. Okay, so this is the AVR unit. Hey, see if we can zoom in. Make this a little bit better. When I do it, it gets grainy. Let's see. Get you a light too. So this is the AVR unit right here. This slides right out. We have to unplug. There are 3 connections on the top. There are 2 brass and this white connection. Then you got these 2 white and black wires. The hot and the black, the neutral, go back to the brushes. They just snap on and they push on and off. And that will be my pet peeve of the day. I'll tell you and show you about on the Generac alternator, and you will experience too. So if you take a pair of needle nose pliers, everything comes out really easier. This is on the front. I took it off the front, so I want to put it on the front. So I'm going to leave it someplace where it reminds me that it's on the front. And this back one, I'll put someplace that it reminds me that it goes in the back. They are not really polarity sensitive, so I'm told. I don't believe it, so I just make sure I put them on where they came off. And this white connector goes right there. Alright, so now we got these 2. We can unhook this big wire connection and just snap off these brass connections, or copper, whatever type of bimetal products they actually are, aluminum. And here is your AVR unit. If we take a look, that one has seen better days, and I have a guess that that's the bad unit. So let's put a brand new one in and show you how quick we can do this. So let's take this back one and put that in the back terminal where we got it. It just snaps into place. The front one into the front terminal as you took it off. Let's put this white 3-prong one in the position that it goes and snaps into place. And then there's these 2 slides right here. If you see, this just slides in and out real slick. Nice engineered setup here. The engineer was pretty gifted when he came onto that. So let's take the back. The back is always in black. If you like the AC/DC song Back in Black, that'll help you remember. I'm going to cross over. While I do it, I'm going to grab a apparatus. Usually I use a screwdriver, and I don't have one in visual here, of course. So I'm going to use my needle nose pliers to put that back black on the back terminal. And this is my pet peeve. There is on the molded alternator frame the frame is like right in the way of that back connector. So Generac, please stop doing it. Make it different. I don't write letters or anything, but I feel like it. Okay, so those are back on the brushes. This is your brush unit. And so now we're all set. We're going to give her a test run and see if she's got full power. All right? I'm going to hit pause. I'll get it started, and then we'll go from there. Okay, sorry to torture you with all that racket, but this has an automatic idle set down. I just wanted to make sure that kicked in good too. So that was a simple fix. All we do now is put our faceplate back on. Very important to replace it. Doesn't take any rocket science, but I just noticed I got mine upside down. There's a faceplate, nameplate, ID plate, serial number that you want to be able to read. That's how I knew how to order what parts for it. Well, thought that was more difficult than what it should have been. And okay, we are done. So let's just go over what we did. We replaced the AVR unit on this. You can fix it too. Watch this video. Remember, safety first. I had my hearing protection on. Runs about 60, 65 decibels. Not a super noisy thing, but will give you tinnitus if you repetitively stand around a generator, where you really shouldn't need to listen to it anyhow. Second thing is, carbon monoxide poisoning is very common with people working on their household units. So open up your doors. I got 2 garage doors open right now, and you can see all the sunlight in here. So be safe. Appreciate your participation. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share them with others. Again, thanks for your participation, and always be safe.